Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we try to reset this maintenance require. When the maintenance required, I mean your car need to change the oil or do some kind of maintenance, and also take care of this TPMS light flashing, which that means your tire pressure monitor system it is low. So this is the trip reset button right here. So you need to push it down, okay? While you turn the car on.
Yep. At the same time.
Yeah. And it should flash 000.
Oh.
Maybe you had to be on trip A or trip B. Let me see. Yeah, I was on the odometer, so.
Yeah.
Make sure you're on trip A. There you go.
Oh. Crucial detail.
Alright?
Yeah.
And then now it's reset. So when I start the car, the maintenance required is going to be off.
Whoa.
So no more maintenance light on.
Okay.
So now we're going to work on this tire pressure monitor system to reset it. So you need to go to your driver's side, and then there's a front and rear. It shows the tire size, and then has to be 30 psi on front and then the back. Okay. I said these are 30. We say all the tires are 30.
Is this done while the engine is on?
Huh?
Oh, this is done while the engine is on, right?
Oh, no. Yeah, because I don't want to take out the power and drain your battery.
Oh, okay.
Oh, too much air. So make sure all 4 tires are on 30 psi. If it's not matching the same number, that's why you get the TPMS light come on. Got a new tire, huh?
I think so.
Nice.
But the other side is old because it got messed up.
Oh, only this side?
I think so, because the other side looks broken.
Oh.
Well, I have no idea. They might have broken it before, like after the new.
Oh my god, it's 37. That's why it's too high. It's unbalanced, imbalanced.
Oh. So did they pump it?
Yeah, too much.
Who the hell did they take these through?
34 still. Let's go 34. Oh, 30. 31. Check on the other side. Look on the window on the other side.
Oh.
And this side there. Oh, you pop it like that? That's
Oopsies! I can fix it. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I can move it. So guys, this is bad parking. For the tire.
Oh my god. Oh, that's too much. Yeah, it's okay. This one doesn't have cap.
What? Everything in this car is messed up.
What do you think this side is?
Probably the same as the other side. That's like, at what is it? 37?
No.
There's more?
31.
Oh, it's only 31?
How come the guy pumped it like this?
I have no idea.
Who did you go to?
My parents had a friend. They just brought to their friend.
Alright, so now we're going to drive around the community for a little bit and then the light should be disappeared. Hopefully it's not the TPMS, this sensor. Sometime with the low battery, that means the light's going to keep on staying on.
Oh, yeah. So I got to go get a new battery.
Alright, so apparently the light is still on. Sometimes you got to drive it for a little bit longer because she just drove up and down, that's it. And if that's did not fix it, that means your tire pressure monitor system on the tire or on the wheel is has a bad battery. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.